Warm greetings to all. This is Sister Helan Jenifer, Assistant Professor of Geography, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. In this video, let us learn about the aquatic ecosystem and its classification. First of all, what is aquatic ecosystem? Aquatic ecosystem support a wide range of organisms, including microorganisms, invertebrates, insects, plants, and fish. They provide a variety of services for humans, including water for drinking and irrigation, recreational opportunities, and habitat for economically important fisheries. They also provide habitat support for many plants and animals. Aquatic ecosystem can be classified into two major types. They are freshwater ecosystems and marine water ecosystems. Now let us discuss one by one. Freshwater ecosystems. It can be found in streams, rivers, springs, ponds, lakes, and freshwater swamps. Freshwater ecosystems are home to more than just fish, algae, plankton, insects, amphibians, and underwater plants. Freshwater ecosystems are subdivided into two classes. Those in which the water is nearly stationary, such as ponds, wetlands, lakes, and those in which the water flows. It is also otherwise called running water, such as streams, rivers, and creeks. First, the pond ecosystem. The pond falls under the standing water ecosystem. The pond ecosystem can be categorized into two major forms based on the water availability, that is, permanent and temporary. Where the water is found throughout the year is called permanent. Where the water is only during the monsoon is found, it is called temporary. After the monsoon season, which become dry out after monsoon and no water in the remaining period of the year. As soon as a pond receives rainwater during monsoon, the lives can be found here are microorganisms, aquatic insects, etc. Similarly, some other animal species like crabs, frogs, and fish can be found. Floating weeds and rooted plants on the margins of the pond water grow on the muddy bottom and come out on the water surface. Next, lake ecosystem. Lake ecosystem may be shallow or deep, permanent or temporary. They include generally standing freshwater bodies or salt water. The species here we can find are algae, microorganisms, some herbivorous fish, carnivorous fish, and catfish. Here, the algae is the primary producer. Microorganism and some herbivorous fish derive energy through these algae aquatic feeds. Next, stream and river ecosystems. Streams and rivers are significantly different on the basis of their size. They are the ecosystems where water is flowing and species living in are specifically adapted to different flow regimes. The species like snail, water beetles, and water scat are found in stream and river ecosystems. Last, marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems differ from freshwater ecosystems. It contains salt water, which usually supports different types of species than does freshwater. Marine ecosystems are the most abundant types of ecosystems in the world. They encompass not only the ocean floor and surface, but also tidal zones, estuaries, salt marshes, and saltwater swamps, mangroves, and coral reefs. Marine water ecosystems are again classified into two types. They are brackish water and saline water. Brackish water such as deltas, coastal shallows, coral reefs. Saline water includes deep ocean. Saline water. Marine ecosystems are a high salt content and are most widespread. These ecosystems have very rich species of coral reefs and are found in only a shallow tropical sea. In India, the coral reefs are very rich around Andaman and Nicobar Islands and in the Gulf of Kutch. Next, brackish water ecosystems. Brackish water ecosystems have less salt content, such as in rivers or covered by mangrove forest. In terms of biomass protection, they are of the most productive ecosystems in the world. In India, the Sundarbans are largest mangrove swamps in the Gangetic Delta.